Hello, guys, on this nippy Saturday morning. I just wanted to come in and do an insight on purpose. Most of us want to know what our purpose is. Most of us want to live in alignment with our purpose. But I think it's, as I was reflecting on what it is, and of course, I'll give it a context according to what I have observed in my own life and maybe in other people's lives. Purpose is not a destination. This is what purpose is not. It is not a once I get into a certain place or once I achieve certain things, once I've attained something, I have arrived at and I have accomplished my purpose. And the reason I'm saying that is I have realized that purpose is a living thing. It's a living concept or a living phenomena. It's a doing, it's an action thing, it's an uncovering, it's a discovering process, it's an unfolding, it's a process of becoming. It is all those things that action, maybe if I can put it, centered or driven. So the minute you say, I'm not the same person I was yesterday, you are not the same person you were last week or last month or last year or a few years back. You are not in the same space or place you were. So meaning uguti, then therefore your purpose will expand according to how you are growing and developing. Your purpose will extend, will expand, will shift, will according to where you are. More can be expected of you. Therefore, it means kuba na a bit of a shift in your purpose. Hence, I'm saying you might feel uguti, I've done this and I've accomplished this. Therefore, I've arrived. It is not a destination, because purpose is also service driven. Service to yourself, and as soon as you realize what you have been present and you have been intentional about servicing yourself, that is now doing things that will make you grow, that will make you mature, that will make you a wiser person. Then it expands or it extends to those that are around you. It becomes, it sort of like reflects. You will reflect what you are to those that are around you. And then it becomes something that you start feeling, which, okay, beyond these people, then it's the society, then it's humanity. That is how a divine driven purpose operates, because it can never just be about me and then I'm not bothered about creating a legacy. I'm not bothered about humanity. It's about service to creation itself. That is how we then serve God. That is how then we say we are aligned to our purpose, because it ceases to be just about me and my things only. So a purpose will require you to pivot at some points in our lives, in your life. You need to give it room to expand. You need to, I always say, give yourself grace as you journey. But it's easy for somebody out there to say, but last year she was saying this. Oh, but yesterday she was thinking like this. Give yourself grace, because as you grow, you will find that you shift in terms of certain thinking, certain perspectives, certain beliefs. You change. We are people. So as well as also with purpose, it becomes dynamic. Not that the core of your purpose will change, but there will be shifts, there will be detours along the way. Hence, we will say, I always say, don't limit yourself, don't box yourself. So, because once you do that, then you're boxing everything. You're boxing yonke into, then when it means things have to go this way and only this way because you believed ukuthi this is your purpose in life. But it can expand, and it's dynamic, and you can find ukuthi at a certain place in your life something is been pruned, or something is been sharpened. Then kuba ngathi your purpose is not what it originally is, but it's because that particular thing needs work for the greater good of your purpose. So give yourself grace. I mean, soul ascension is also an unfolding. Abanye bathi it's becoming. We are journeying to become that is authentic, what I authentically am according to my factory settings. So it's a journey with grace, journey with love, journey with empathy, journey with gentleness towards yourself as well as you grow. Don't be hard on yourself. But it's all last week or that year, so no, you are growing, and aguna destination, because even with somebody that has done a lot and maybe they're at their old age, purpose doesn't cease. Ngoba lo muntu lo, you'll find most of them now are looking at what they have created and they're passing it down. So it's a continuation. Purpose has to turn into a legacy of some sort. So akunakuthi kuphelile. And I think it lives even beyond. You know, if you got it right, it outlives you. That is now when we are talking about legacy creation. It will outlive the physical you. Sizo will still say, he did that, she did that, she was an instrument in this, she was impactful in this, you know, because that is purpose, that is, you lived in alignment. But let us not think that we are delayed or we are behind whilst we are being aligned to whatever place it is. And don't park at the point of your trauma, at the point of your disappointment, at the point of your pain, at the point of rejection. Don't park there, because it's still part of this process. It's still part of your growth and part of the journey. You are still being aligned to this purpose. It's a living thing, and ungasabi that it will shift here and there. There'll be detours here and there. And here's to purposeful, impactful lives that will turn into beautiful legacies created.